Hey there, hobbyists, creators, game developers, designers. This is the making of BattleQuest, a vidlog, if you like, of the various stages of making a game in Unity. So what I have at the moment is some concepts. I have the general design. I've got the base background element. Essentially, the if you like, the landscape is auto-generating in Unity, and I've got a concept title screen at the moment. And the idea for this video game is to involve procedural generation, an old learning or AI mechanism called genetic algorithms. So not using machine learning for this, it's more like genetic algorithms, really just to sort of try the idea, but to make an enemy that can learn and try different ideas and evolve, basically. So that's what BattleQuest is about. Watch a bit more to get an idea of the current progress as of the 29th of May, 2020. So here we are. You can see I've got Unity here. I've got my sort of general ship asset just in the scene, and this is more just to visualize how this would look. And if I hit play in the Unity editor, we can see, okay, it's going to go play full screen, and we can see here that we've got the background, or it's rather the floor, if you like, which is auto-generated. So this is an isometric or isomorphic projection, rather. And the idea is that you're a mercenary. So this ship that you see in front of you is a ship that you'll control. There actually will be 3 other players controlled by bots, or potentially at some point introduce multiplayer. The idea is that the bots would learn using genetic algorithms, and that the scenery is auto-generated, which is what's happening here, and it's happening as the game plays. It generates chunks of map, and then it's actually rendering. This is like a treadmill, so the ship's actually static, as you can see. It's just sitting there, and as you control it, the idea is to let it move forward, move back, left, right, up, down. But basically the progress through the level will be at a certain speed. For difficulty, there's all sorts of things we can vary here, like obviously the bots will learn over time, but the other parts of difficulty could be moving that speed a bit faster and so forth. So the idea for this is to be like an arcade feeling game. The idea also, apart from sort of playing with and demonstrating what genetic algorithms can do, another aspect of this game is to involve, it's like a tower defense game, except it's the other way around. It's tower attack. So this generating scenery, where there's ends in the road, buildings will be inserted there, and the algorithm for inserting buildings there will be controlled by a genetic algorithm. So the idea is it'll be learning how to position better towers. So the bot, a bot will control, or an AI will control the placement of towers to defend the land. And there'll be targets that you shoot and you'll get power-ups and things. So there'll be weapons, better guns, that sort of thing. And the idea is that as a mercenary against other mercenaries, you're competing to get the power-ups, to get points. And the other mercenaries will be controlled by bots. They'll also have genetic algorithms, so they'll improve, and you can shoot each other. So it's competitive mercenary tower attack, right, is the concept. So far, as of the 29th of May, we've got this procedural generation of the road. The genetic algorithm for the placement of buildings will be essentially next, and then the player bots, like building up, having the other ships, setting up a player control of this ship. And that will be essentially the next thing, maybe a transition between levels, and we've got like the basic gameplay going. So that's where we're at the moment. Thanks for watching. I need to remind you, if you thought this was interesting, this is going to be a series. So, if you want to watch more, subscribe, and also hit the like button, because that will really help. I need to build this channel. Thanks.